Well, now 6:16 and cleanup efforts continue this morning in southwestern Colorado after those devastating floods. This is new video this morning from the La Plata County Sheriff's Office. It's their high water rescue vehicle. It looks like they're driving down a creek in this video, but this is actually a flooded road. La Plata County government is reporting their road and bridge crews. They've been busy nonstop clearing debris. This is an aerial view as the county is thanking everyone working hard to get evacuees back to their homes. Heavy rain forced hundreds of families to evacuate in the past few days. Governor Polis verbally declared disaster emergency for the damage done. Well, a highway in Colorado is back open this morning following flooding and erosion. Take a look at these photos from the Colorado Department of Transportation. They spent 12 hours yesterday stabilizing the highway and removing massive rocks like this one. This is along Wolf Creek Pass from Treasure Falls to South Fork. A lot of people take this highway to get from Alamosa to Pagosa Springs. It was reopened at 6:30 last night.